Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off slow mode on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! While you are becoming a bigger streamer with more viewers and mostly more chatters, you might want to consider using slow mode in your chat. Slow mode is a setting that allows you to set a limit on how often user can send a message in your chat. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our Twitch. Now you can go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here. After that, you can choose on Stream Manager. On your Stream Manager, you can go to the Quick Actions. You can slide the option in here. You can choose on like the stopwatch icon in here. After that, you can go to hourglass. Hourglass icon in here. You can just tap on that. And from here, you can turn this on. If you want to turn this on, you can choose the time for 3 seconds or 5 until 16 and 120. Require user to wait between sending message. Subscriber can be exempted via partner affiliate or setting. For example, maybe you want to slow mode for 5 seconds. You can choose on 5 seconds. After that, so your viewer, your chatter can send you message after 5 seconds. And if you want to turn this off, you can just choose on turn off slow mode in here. It's very simple, right? So in here on your quick action, the stream manager, you can settings, you can manage your stream, live stream on Twitch. So that is how to turn on or turn off slow mode on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.